Hey guys, it's GC3 here with another video, and I just got this bad boy in the mail, and we're gonna open it right now. I don't know what it is, but let's get it open, yeah? Oh my gosh. Guys, can y'all see that? You see that right there? Oh wow. Okay, what a beautiful way of packaging. Sorry, I'm getting a little carried away with the packaging here. Okay. How do you undo this? Wow. Guys, look at that. I got it. I got it in. Now, I have family over real quick, so I'm trying to do a quick video for y'all. The PNSO Lambesiosaurus. I wanted this figure. I saw it on YouTube, Andy's Dinosaur Reviews, and he got it. This is what the box, so of course it's in Chinese. Oh, here's in English. Okay, Darwin, so copyrighted. So here it is if y'all want to see it. I'm going to open the box real quick, and then I'm going to rewrap it for Christmas for my son. Alrighty. This is going to be epic. Oh my gosh. I have goosebumps right now. Okay. Let's just take him out of the box. Wow. Let's get rid of the box. Okay, here's put the dinosaur over here real quick. Here's the little booklet that comes with it. This is in Chinese. Can't read in Chinese. Sorry for my viewers who are no disrespect or anything. Here's the book. If y'all want to read this, look at this. Look at the detail on this guy. Oh my gosh. Okay, a born foodie. It basically tells you all the information about the animal whenever it was alive, and all the different information about the figure. And it's about, oh, so this is the adult. Oh, okay, cool. 2 meters. 2 meters. I don't know what 2 meters is, but you can get a rough estimate to see how large the adult was. An adult Lambesiosaurus. But here's the little booklet that comes with it. Now the grand prize that everybody wants to see. Okay, let's take it out of the little, see, it has got a protective covering here. Oh my gosh. Wow, this thing's got some weight. Damn. Wow. Let's get a zoom in on it for y'all. Oh, terrible lighting. Get the lighting better. Okay. Look at this amazing figure. Oh my gosh. Look at the head. Look at that. It's pretty glossy up in the front. I don't like all that gloss, but everything else, the back wise, not as much gloss, but it looks extremely detailed. The ridge on the back line, the stripes on the animal itself, the distinct coloration, as you see from the top here, and it kind of transitioned into the bottom into a tan. It's absolutely beautiful. The face, Look at the face. You can see what the face looks like. Oh my gosh, this thing is absolutely amazing. Now, I can't take any safari shots, anything like that, because we're doing Christmas. We're opening up presents tomorrow. Um, so he's going to go back in the box. He's going to go back wrapped. I'm going to show my wife real quick before I put him back in the box. But this is, no, actually, you know what? She's going to have to wait. That's too bad. The horn on it, like I said, it's pretty glossy. Absolutely amazing. Beautiful figure. Look at the feet. Okay, here, let's show you all the feet real quick. This is what the feet look like. And then right here on the bottom, here's underneath it. Made in China, of course. This is just, I finally got my hands on one. So compared to my hand, you know, I got a big hand. I got a hairy hand. This is what it looks like. You know, put them right there for you. Let's take some better shots with it. I ordered him about a month ago on eBay. The guy had it for around $35. I worked him down. I got it down to about $26, and the shipping was like a few dollars. And I got it. I got the PNSO Lambesiosaurus for our collection here for me and my son. Of course, he doesn't know what it is, but once he sees it, he's going to be like, oh my gosh. Of course, he's 5 years old. He don't talk like that. But an absolutely beautiful figure. I have some dinosaurs right here next to him, but I'm going to just give y'all just a look of what he looks like. The paint scheme, everything is absolutely beautiful. I have another Lambesiosaurus coming in. That's going to require a new paint job. I don't know if I should do it like this one or do a different color. But this is absolutely beautiful. The detail. The horn, it looks a little fake. You know, the flames. All around amazing figure. I don't know, just that horn looks a little bit, almost looks like a smoke pipe. That's what it looks like. But the head, the face, the duck build, absolutely beautiful. Let me do some comparisons so you see how big it is. So our Jurassic Park Parasaurolophus compared to the Lambesiosaurus, PNSO Lambesiosaurus. And then here's a 1992 Ankylosaurus, just to get a comparison how big he is. I don't have other figures right now because I'm in a back room. I'm trying to hide this from my son, but as you can see how big he is. A beautiful figure. I've been waiting for this guy for my son for Christmas. I have the other one coming in. I don't think it's going to come in tomorrow, but it's okay. He's coming in. I'm do a video on that one. I'm not going to touch this. I'm not going to repaint it. No, absolutely not. He's too beautiful. The colorations, the way it transitions into everything, the discreet detail, the face. I'm not touching it. Guys, have a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays from my family to yours, from GC3 and everybody else out there in the YouTube world. Be safe, and we'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.